let's get started. Go into 2D mode, add a new scene, add a 2D scene called world, and then add a new node 2D, and we're going to call this background. Then add a texture rect. This here, we're going to find our assets and we're going to find the skybox. Doesn't matter which one you use, castle. Then we're going to go to project settings, general, and turn our window to be 640 by 320. Click close. Then we're going to turn the tile mode on for this and go down to layout, transform, and we're going to scale this up so that it's about 1.35, just so that it's touching the bottom there. We're going to move that all the way to the right. Pretty far, it doesn't matter how far you move it. On the background, we're going to save this scene first in our scenes folder as world. On the background, add a code. And this code is going to be very simple. _process, translate vector2.left times 30 times delta. You could increase the number here if you want the background to go faster. Save that, go back to 2D, bring our player scene into this world, and I'm just going to quickly add in my input map, up, down, these in. You can use any keys you want, and the player speed can also be fixed. I'm going to change it to 300. So now when I play my world, I'm going to move my player around. The background scrolling looks good. Next video, we'll add in projectiles.